Oh, okay. I think the father and daughter have the same kind of personality, shielding their own people. Why? Si BP Sara, nakita natin how she protected yung mga tao niya by not letting them to attend the hearing. Dito naman si former president, sinasabi niya, me alone, me, it's all me, ang responsible dun sa war on drugs. But kahapon lamang nagsalita na po si PNP chief at sinabi niya that 1,286 na mga affected ng war on drugs died and others were wounded, and yung iba naman po ay 219 cops were I think charged criminally, and marami po yung na-charge, almost 200 plus as well, and na-dismiss pala. Meron po na-dismiss, 200 plus, and yung iba facing summary dismissal as well. So, I think yung pronouncement ng presidente that siya po ang sasagot sa lahat ng problem ng mga lower ranks sa ating pong kapulisan, para atang hindi po nangyayari. And this is the same trait and behavior that are not now being manifested on her daughter. So, nakikita po natin yung pattern. Yun lang po.